Commission will declare the results of this election sometime over the weekend.
Uyela ngekupheleni ukubalwa kwamavoti ukutsho isikhulu sekomitshini yezamakhetho uSayman Mabulo.
There's still a lot of counting that still needs to be done.
It's very interesting how history repeats itself and how they actually underestimated President Zuma.
So the bigger cities have not been counted. And where are the bigger cities found? In townships.
Amehlo aphume enyameni enhlanganweni zepolitiki zonke njalo zicele imiphumela yamakhetho ngelihle elibukhali. Sizikhatsha ukusuka eAuckland Park eJohannesburg ziza kuwe bunqopha ngesindebele ku SABC1 lochani sitshaba sekhethu. Afike abeyadlula amakhetho womnyaka ka2024 nje okulindelwe miphumela ababekindaba bethu bakhatsheke nomango lapho balilihlo babuye babe yindlebe yethu sithoma ngoComfort Mesombuka osegalaga estate eMidrand jali sibawa usibeke ngamehlo wengcondo ezikweni lokubalwa kwamavoti iThe Rock. Sinqanqabeze ngalokho njenganje ke asiphose indambo kuTumelo Machoho umbiki indaba wethu osembombela eMpumalanga akwande Tumelo kura kanjani bekube nje ukubalwa kwamavoti. Asibuyele goduke kuComfort Masombuka lapha ke eGalaga Estate. Comfort besibawa ukuthi usithathe usibeke ngamehlo wengcondo nomkhumbulo lapho ukuthi kusakhamba njani.
Ngiyathokoza Bongwe ngilochise nombukele ekhaya nangambala sesekhona la eGalaga Estate lapho kubalwa khona amavoti anomnyaka nje solo ziyakhuphuka inomboro ngungishiya ngikuchiye zonke inhlangano zincamela inhlalo eParliament ngikhuluma nje kwenzeke nebekungakalindeleki ke ezinye inhlangano ebekungezincane sizibone ngathi ziyakhuphuka namasana asanda ukubelethwa abo MK napa abafikile nabo sebabhodla kuzwakale kanti ke nokho kezinye imfunda ihlangano ebusaki ANC isado saphambili kezinye imfunda ezifana naKwaZulu Natal nakhona ke kubonakala iMK isusa lapha ke bekube nje idosa phambili kanti ke kwalandela iIFP bese ke iANC sebujameni besithathu phezulu ingana nayo iIFP le kanti ke kezinye imfunda ezifana nabo Eastern Cape nakhona iANC isado saphambili ke kanti ke ezinye inhlangano eksekhabo lazo lapho ke nazo ke kubonakala ngathi ziyagedla kancane bekube nje kodwa ke lapha estudio la ngikhona eGalaga Estate ngikhamisana nelunga leUDM unqaba yomzi kwankwa ngihlezi nayo la estudio mhlonishwa siyakwamukela endabeni zaku SABC1 sesilebele
inkosi kakhulu.
Siyathokoza bekube nje nanzi imbalobalo siyazibona lapha solo ziyachukuchukuluka nina njengehlangano yeUDM nizibona njani ziniphethe kanjani bekube nje
uzothi kangoku lemiphumela nalamanani alapha kule body awahambi ngohlobo isicinga ngalo kuba besinqwenela ukuthi siyithathe iMpuma Koloni kodwa ke xa sibona siyalibona ukuthi iqembu likhulile ukusukela ngo2019 ukuzotsho ngo2024 kuba lo xa sekuvalwa zonke zibaliwe sizawukhula kodwa sikhula ngohlobo esicinga ngalo ithethe ukuthi kufanele sibuyele back to the drawing board ukuze sikwazi ukuyazi ukuthi silungise phi ngawapha amaphondo masifocus kuyo so that ngo2026 the outcome is different nango2029. So a process yokurebuilder, but we know for an example that sekhona indawo ezingekaphelele Eastern Cape esizibhekile umzekelo siyazi ukuthi kwamavoti aseBuffalo City angekacapture about 5,000 or more angawe uDM and other regions phakathi kule Eastern Cape. So sizawuthi ke once sibone angene wonke lama regions sikwazi ukubona ukuthi picture sixela ntoni but into esiyaziyo into ba one thing for sure sizawukhula from the result sasinayo go 2019 we are going to get more seats kuno 2019.
ngamanye amagama uthi ukuthi ke lezi imbalobalo sezikhona bekube nje ngehlangothini leUDM ithemba lisesekhona kulama percent aselabaliwe njengoba kubalwe 71% bekube nje yamavoti elizweni zombelele ithemba lisesekhona ukuthi lani khona
kunjalo mhlekazi kuba khumbula nemetros azikangeni ezinye metros zona zingena late sinabo abantu siyazi ukuthi bakwi metros masenze umzekelo nakwindawo ezifana ne-City of Cape Town apho siyazi bakho Langa no Khayelitsha no Gugulethu no Nyanga apho siyazi ukuthi abantu abalandela i-UDM bakhona ngobuninzi abakangeni izawuthi ke ngosawungena ne-metros zigcwala neza lapha eGauteng sikwazi ukubona ke ngoku i-picture ngokugcwele ukuthi kwenzeka ntoni kwi-UDM nationally.
Ngiyathokoza loyo ngelinye lamalunga we-UDM unqaba yomzi kwankwa engikhambisana naye ehlelweni endabeni namhlanje kanti ke njengoba khe ngatsho ke nalapha esifundeni sempumalanga nakhona sibeka ilihlo solo ziyakhuphuka imbalobalo i-ANC ihlangano ebusako solo isadosa phambili khona ke ilandelwa i-MK nakhona la ifike ngamandla khona ekulisana elisanda ukubelethwa ebelikhasa litata mhlapha nje kodwa amalanga la silibona nandi lihlaba ngaphana ngapha ngemkhonto liphange esihlangu kanti ke ne-DA nayo nokho ke ibonakele idosa phambili lapha ke esifundeni seTshingalanga Kapa ezihlangana nezinye imfunda ekwenzekileko kizo lapha ehlagweni Kapa sewabaliwe amavoti aqediwe i-IEC iqinisekisile lokho ukuthi ke sewabalwe wonke nokho ke ikhambe phambili khona ke i-ANC ngithokozile ukukhulumisana nawe ehlelweni namhlanje Mthonishwa. Aha sisesekhona la eGalaga Estate sisakagela phambili ke nazo lezi indaba kanti ke ngemva kwami ngigcine kunesinye inthekeli zami ekufanele ngikhambe nazo ke ngibathe ngiyaqala ngisazibona bekufuze ngivakatshelwe ngesinye isithekeli esivela ku-MK naye akhazosihlathululela ukuthi ke bona ke imphumela ibaphethe njani bekube nje kanti ke noma unomvula Mkonyane ngehlangothini le-ANC nale solo ngisamlindile la ukuthi ke akhazosihlathululela nokho ke ngibona kuza usomkhulumi we-ANC elizweni zombelele nangwasiza ngaphasi sokukhambisana naye njengoba na i-ANC nayo ibonakele ukuthi ke ngasuthi iloba ezinye imfunda lapha ithoma ukugedla iloba amavoto ambadlwanyana ke kanti ke nasicala lapha ke esifundeni salapha eFreystata nakhona i-ANC isadosa phambili nokho lapho ke ilandelwa i-EFF ngikhuluma nje senginosomkhulumi we-ANC elizweni zombelele masiyakwamukela endabeni ze-SABC1 zesindebele ezirhatshwa ku-SABC1 ngemva kwamadina nje sibona i-ANC kwanga ikhamba iba nokuphazamiseka khulukhulu la eGauteng ngibona i-DA ihleze enthendeni zayo ihlalele eduze kuthini kini lokho
ngithi lento ngoba ikhombisa ukuthi umbuso wentando yeningi uyasebenza akusikhathazi ngoba mayi democracy sebenza obaba mkhulu bethu bayilwela leyo into leyo siyabungaza ukuthi kukhona ama parties amaningi nawo ahlamulayo kulento eyenziwayo yombuso wentando yeningi.
Lapha esifundeni saKwaZulu Natal sibona i-MK ifike ngamandla bekube nje solidosa phambili yachagala ithwele imphanga iyajokola ichagala yodwa estikini nenzani senamukele namkha ithemba lisesekhona namkha senamukele ukuthi isifunda saKwaZulu Natal nasa siyakhamba sijinga
manje sisabheke imiphumela nanokuthi ama official results adeclarewe asize singathanda ukuthi sikhiphe umubiko noma isimemezelo kungakaqedwa lokho so kukhona sokukhuluma uma sedeclarewe ama results esibonile ukuthi sihambe safika kuyibanga elingakanani including KZN including Mr Jacob Zuma party sizokukhuluma konke lokho uma isikhathi sesivumile ama results esekhishiwe.
Sithokoze khulu ukukhuluma nawe lapha endabeni ezirhatshwa ngelimi lesindebele ku-SABC1 elangela namhlanje. Nangambala sisuka khona la eGalaga Estate eMidrand kukulapho siphakululela zona zisatshisa lapho imbalobalo zibonakala zichugujuguluka kanti ke njenganje ngibuya ngapho ngestudio kuThulani Bongwe nangibuya la ngizokubuya ngiphethe umcozululi ukhona uBongwe lapha estudio mlaleli ungachithi lapho uzokusola bongolela kamnanjazana ngephimbo lakhe Bongwe.
Sithokoze Thabetheka Dudukwana njenganje ke asiphosele indambo kuTumelo Machoho umbiki indaba wethu osembombela eMpumalanga akwande Tumelo kuza kanjani bekube nje ukubalwa kwamavoti
Lochani, here in Mpumalanga, the votes are already in. About 80% of the votes have already been counted. 80% of the voting station have already been counted. That's about 1,491 voting districts have already been counted and already been captured out of the 1,811 voting districts that have already been counted. The ANC seems to be leading with about 49% of the votes. I'm just going to step out of short so that I can show you what is going on behind us there. There's the ANC leading there with about 464,000 of the votes, and also followed shortly by the MK Party, which has about over 164 of the votes, pushing the DA and the EFF into third and fourth place. The DA has been pushed now to the fourth place. It has about over 119,000 of the votes, and the EFF has about 127 of the vote here. The FF Plus is one party that is also doing very well here. Is also showing there is among them on the top 5. Has about 45,000 of the votes already here. So of the votes, rather 16,000 of the votes. And with the projection that we are getting is that the ANC is likely to have about 26 of the seats if it eventually win. It is expected to have about 26 of the seats at the provincial legislature. You'd understand that the legislature will now this year after this the votes have been counted, they will have about 51 seats at the legislature, an increase of 21 seats there at the legislature. So the ANC is expected to have about 26, and also the MK Party is expected to have about 9 of the votes, 9 of the seats rather, and also the DA and the EFF about 7 of the seats there in the legislature. But the votes are still coming in. Things are expected to change at any time. So we are expecting more of these votes as they are continue to be counted. You understand that's about 82 of the voting districts have already been counted in the province. So those are the voting districts that have already been counted, but we're expecting more of those votes to be counted throughout the night. But the IEC is telling us that they will also give their the people that are working to count the votes a little bit of a breather so that they don't make any mistakes. But so far 82% have been counted so far of those voting districts. Back to you.
Siyathokoza ngombikindaba wethu osembombela. Njenganje sithatha zonke indambo sizibuyisela eGalaga Estate. Ukhona uKhamfatwa kwaMasombuka. Tshali imbalo ziyehla ziyenyuka. Sithatha usibeke.
Nangambala uqinisile Bongwe ziyehla zenyuka imbalo khona la eGalaga Estate. Solo ngikuchiye kuyagijinyiswana. Kanti ke zehla nje imbalo vele solo kuqalwe ngamehlo yabovu njengoba ihlangano namkha ikomishini esijameleko yezekhetho iIEC iqinisekisile ukuthi kule phela veke bazabe baqedile ukubala. Aloke wonke umuntu ulinde ngamehlo abovu ufuna ukwazi bona ngubani oyokuhlala esiqongolweni apha. Kanti ke njenganje malungana nazo lezi imbalo balo ngoba nazichukuchukuluka. So lapha ke e-studio sengikhambisana nomcozululi untsikelelo breakfast. Intsikelelo siyakwamukela indabeni zesindebele ku SABC 1. Ungakhe usicozululele njengoba imbalobalo bekube nje zibonakala zingendlela ezingayo le inhlangano ezinye ezisanda ukufika zibonakala zizengamandla la, kanti ke iANC ikhambe iloba lapha nalapha kezinye indawo eloba amavoto lapha nalapha ngathi iyagedlisa kancazana. Ungasicozululela
results kukho winners ne losers. So the biggest winner, of course, whether you like it or not, kumkhonto wesizwe. The biggest loser, the ANC, because if you look at the percentage, le ikoyo is 71%. Now, iyakwazi extrapolate okanye move from specific to general with the sample. In fact, a sample ebikade isetyenziswa u50%. So the point is that akuzubakho changes ngoku. Now, the ANC then is sitting at 41%. And now we are born in numbers. In numbers, the ANC as nyuki. So I think in the discussion is a galango. It discussion ye coalition arrangement. But in like is that ingxaki is that i-constitution ithi uba ngaba une 2 weeks qha uforma ugovernment, which is not enough in my view, because ezinye countries e-Europe zinikwa more than that, like 3 months and so on. I think kodwa loo nto leyo it means that ngeli xesha kusenziwa i-constitution abantu babeyenza, they had the ANC in mind, bayawuphatha forever, khange bayilindele lena i-outcome.
Aloke nanze ezinye inhlangano ezincane ebekuthiwa ngezincane kokwakhona ezisanda ukubelethwa mhlapha nje njengabo Patriotic Alliance zibonakala nazo ngathi ziyakhula, kuyini umthelela walokho mhlawumbe?
Yes, Patriotic Alliance of course isebenzisa, I'm sorry to say this, but into kuthiwa i-political identity that abantu abangamakhaladi, I'm not saying by irongo nto leyo, baya sideline bayuse le nto leyo ke, but batye kwi-votes ze-DA bona sakhulu, especially Western Cape, yabo. So ziyithundo abaziyuzileyo yile ye-political identity, esibini le abantu bangaphandle abahambe. Now i-issue esensitive le, but abanye abantu bafuna ukuyi-addressa because uyabona i-ANC mosi i-indebted kwezinye i-liberation movements, like umuntu president address abantu eZimbabwe wabhuwisho. So I think ANC ayifuna, but yena uye wayi-addressa and wafumana abantu ke ba ya abantu bangaphandle bathatha i-jobs zethu. So I think wenze kahle, and ke I'm not talking about ubu-right nobu-wrong leyo, but I think into asebenzisileyo ezo unyusa i-votes zakhe.
Aloke ihlangano i-EFF, Economic Freedom Fighters, nayo ke ibonakala ngasuthi yehlile kancane nakulinganiswa namakhetho adlulileko kezinye imfunda, kanti ke nalapha esifundeni nasi yaseLimpopo lapho beyiqala ukuthi izokusebenza kuhle, kodwa nakhona ibonakala ngasuthi awa ayikasikinyeki kangako, kungabangelwa yini lokho mhlawumbe ukuthi
i-EFF if ujonga imeko ngoku ingu-number 4, and kumlo nto leyo iza ukuthi spark i-debate on matters of leadership, because if i-organization ayenzi kakuhle, I think it's normal uba kubuzwe imibuzo about i-leadership, but the question is ingaba umnumzana uJulius Malema uzawuvuma na uba ngaba makubekho lo discussion about yena. But the same goes to i-ANC nayo, but i-ANC yona ke mhlawumbi way out will be uba ngaba hayi kukho i-collective responsibility, so president makayekwe.
Sithokoza kakhulu loyo nguNtsikelelo Breakfast omcozululo besikhulumisana naye njenganje ngecozululo malungana nalezi imbalobalo ezisolo zijugujuguluka kwangalesi sikhathi ke, kanti ke singakaphumi kwangalesi sikhathi sekakhona lapha ke usomkhulumi we MK umkhonto wesizwe elizweni zombelele senginaye la e-studio ke okay.
Siyathokoza nguComfort Masombuka omamehlo nendlebe zethu lapha ezikweni lamavoti eGalaga Estate ngeBitrent njenganje sichinga eLimpopo kuKatlego Nyoni. Katlego, ungakhe usinabele bonyana kukhamba njani ngapho eLimpopo?
Ke a leboga thulaganyo ya go bala dipholo tsa ditlhopho kakaretso tsa monongwaga e santse e tswelela pele, mme letsholo la go khubukanya dipholo tseno le santse le tswelela pele profenseng ya Limpopo. Mo ureng eno seemo se eme ga jaana dipholo tse setse di badilweng di dira 71, mme ga jaana lekoko la ANC ke lona le le tswelelang pele go etela pele fa le ka lebaka mo morago game ANC profenseng ya Limpopo e setse e fitlhetse dipholo tse di fetang dikete di le 600, mme mo legatong la bobedi e latela ke lekoko kganetso la EFF gape le lekoko kganetso la DA. Mo maemong a bone re bona lekoko kganetso la Freedom Front Plus, gape MK le yona e tswelela pele go bona dipalopalo profenseng ya Limpopo.
Asibuya entolo. Ilifulathele iphasi inkosazana uDojiwe Mabhena obeyimbongi yengwenyama uMakhosoke wesibili. Sisalakane indaba ku-SABC1 na usanda ukungena siyakwamukela. Asiphethe amakhetho ngibawa ukuthi-ke sithathe zonke indambo sizibuyisele eGalaga Estate kunoComfort Masombuka ombiki indaba wethu we-SABC sikhuluma nje uhlezi nomkhulumeli womkhondo wesizwe party Jali.
Nangambala bonke ngiyathokoza indambo ngiyazamukela sesekhona la eGalaga Estate njenganje ngikhamba nosomkhulumi we-MK Party elizweni zombelele ngubaba lapha ke uNhlamulo wakwandlela babundlela sakwamukela indabeni zesindebele lapha kwa SABC1
kunjani baba siyaphila njani
Sithokoze sibona ihlanganetho esanda kubelethwa mhlapha iMK Party umkhonto wesizwe isebenza kuhle bekube nje kwaZulu Natal isadosa phambili kanti ke nalapha eMpumalanga isebujameni besibili landela ihlangano ebusako ngemva iANC nakhona isebenza kuhle akhe sithi ke mhlawumnye imbalo balezi qeda ukubalwa amavoto zisajame ngalendlela nabangathi ke mhlambe nizibandakanye namkha nenze ukubusa ngokuhlanganyela icoalition ningahlanganyela nayiphi ihlangano
baba lokhetho lo singenela ukuthi siwine asingenela ukuthi sizodiscuss ama coalition njengoba nawisho kusebhizi kunje ungena ama vote aphuma ko wonke ama voting district nase KZN abakaqeda ukucounter basa counter nakhona kusho ukuthi le picture la ingashintsha and ukuthi uze uyithole uba nama discussions we coalition or ukhuluma namanye amaqembu nge coalition fanele wazi ukuthi umephi kuqala kodwa ke akusho ukuthi masithola kuleyo situation efana ukuthi sikhulume namanye amaqembu ngecoalition ngeke sikwenza ngisho lokho kodwa lento engisho ukuthi if sizo engage nami into eqala nje fanele sibuze ukuthi bayavuma na ukushintsha iconstitution ngoba thina sithi ngeke sikwazi uku-effecta le changes implement ama program wethu azosiza abantu bethu isingashintshanga le constitution into esimple efana namanzi akhona abelungu from apartheid abathola ama-irrigation rights manje thina masifuna ukuletha ama-water reform ukuthi shintshe yonke lento lesinika abantu bethu amanzi laba bantu laba phethe lama-rights basisa kwi-constitutional court bese yona le constitution le iba-protect so lento esisho ukuthi
asibambe lapho ke babundlela ngenxa yesikhathi chebechebe asisijamise la zala eGalaga Estate sibuyela le uGlen Park emzimkhulu wendaba ukhona ubongwe uthulana uzokuphela bongolela kamnanjazana ngephimbo lakhe bongwe ragamfu
siyathokoza Masombuka ilele ubuthongo banomphelo inkosazana uDojiwe Joyce Mabhena uDojiwe ngudadwabo lengwenyama yamaNdebele uMakhoseko wesibili omncane ubhubhenge emva kokugula isikhatshana unokufa wagcina amkhukhuthela ngomvulo
amehlo abekayibona akasazoyibona ngokunjalo nendlebe ebezilalela iphimbo lakhe angeke zisalizwa iphimbo lenkosazana uDojiwe okusele komigadangiso yiphimbo lakhe ebelizwakala ngehubo elimnandi lendlalela inkulumo yengwenyama emnyanyeni obanjwa qobe minyaka komjekejeke inkosazana uDojiwe Mabhena ungewakwabo lengwenyama uMakhoseko wesibili ubelethwa lilanga elacimako umbhongo wesibili nendlovukazi uSonengane uDojiwe waduma ngesiqhema uDojiwe nendombi zakwamnyama hlangana nengoma zakhe kubalwa nezinembongo zamakhosi nembongo zika Nelson Mandela umkhulumeli womndeni umntwana enkosi uLibandla Mabhena wethula amahlelo okubulungwa kwakhe
inkosazana ke ikhambe ngokugula okufitshazana uza kubekwa lapha ngomhla ka1 kuJune kungomgcibelo ngeiri laka 8:00 ekseni sibikela sonke isitshaba abakhululekileko ukuthi isonto izokuthoma ngo8:00 ekseni ngomgcibelo lapha esigodlweni engwenyameni yitsinge sangakwamhlanga lapha eKlipfontein
umsunguli wesiqhema sengoma zesindebele amatshatangu uMonamngu obekamvezi wokuthoma owaveza uDojiwe uthi bethekile ikoro ethuthukisa umvumo wesindebele ngemva kokuzwakala komkhosi
sibenza iminyakanyaka sibambene ingoma zakhe bezenziwa ngimi yena afaka imbongo ialbum yakhe yokugcina mpuri icompose ngimi yonke yena afaka imbongo wathumba uNongorwana ngazibona ngimkhulu mhla Gugu uNongorwana kuma Satma Award
phekelelwa endaweni yakhe yokugcina kusasa engwenyameni ekuyindawo ebeyaziwa ngeKlipfontein hlanu kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga. Lala uphumule mbuduma kaMasokasokile. Sigwegwe sokubingweni. Ncako. Sizokubonana kwelizako. Ngingumaphandle ethombeni wendawo ngiseJohannesburg.
Siphelela lapha indaba esinhlanganisele zona namhlanje. Ukhobongile.